Today I want to introduce a blueprint that I created for switching between different object alternatives inside Unreal Engine. This is very useful for interactive projects, Archviz, VR, AR, and product configurators. For example, if you want a user to switch between different sofa models, the old workflow can be slow and complicated. You may need to create a separate variable for each model or combine all parts of the model into one static mesh before using it. The system uses an array of PLAs or packed level actors, so you can select a complete furniture set inside Unreal, turn it to a PLA, and add it directly to the blueprints array. Now I'll set up the blueprint for sofa switching. I drag the blueprint from the content drawer into the scene, then add array element based on the number of sofas. Using the eyedropper, I pick each sofa or PLA directly from the level and assign them one by one. The sofas can be placed anywhere I want. The blueprint only switches between the assigned assets. The model does not need to be one single static mesh. It can have many separate parts like cushions, legs, pillows, and details. As long as it is converted to a PLA, it can be used in this system. The blueprint also has an index selected option. This lets you choose which alternative should be visible at the start. This system is not limited to sofas. You can use it for tables, chairs, cabinets, lights, or any object that can be converted to a PLA. It also hides the inactive options and only shows the selected one. And because it supports looping, when you reach the last option, it can turn back to the first one. If you want to add a new sofa later, you do not need to create a new variable or change the blueprint logic. You only add a new element to the array and assign the new PLA. I'm Siavash and this is part of my Interactive Archviz Template. Stay tuned for more features.